Welcome back to the Vehicle Corral. Today we're out at Coastal Dent Repair in Wilmington, North Carolina. It is their grand opening of their brand new shop. Thanks to Kevin Walsh for inviting us out and inviting everybody over for some great food, some good music, some cornhole, and beautiful cars. We got a great collection of all makes and models. So we're going to take a tour of the vehicles that are here. We're going to take a tour of his brand new shop, see his new paint booth, and his awesome new mural that he has set up inside of that shop. Can't wait to check it out. Let's go. Thank you so much to Kevin Walsh with Coastal Dent Repair. We really appreciate you guys putting on such an amazing event. It was great seeing everybody come out and support Kevin and Coastal Dent Repair. The cars were beautiful, the food was amazing, and Kevin, your new shop is fantastic. And remember, if you need any paintless dent repair, or you need your brake calipers painted, or other little items painted around your car, give Kevin and his team a call. They are the best in the business. They'll take great care of you. So thank you all so much. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the road.